AI in vehicle security technology has evolved drastically. That's why QOHO joins the trend in providing top-notch devices that benefit vehicle owner and operators. One of our best products is the MDVR 8204SH, an 8-channel 3 SD card AI mobile DVR. This device is powered by AI, making it ideal for integrating ADAS, DMS, and VSD to your vehicle. Users can install the MC1205 as the ADAS camera on the vehicle's windshield. The ADAS feature is activated by the following alarms. MC610 VSD is perfect for the VSD feature. It can be positioned on the left, right, or rear side of the vehicle to provide wide-angle view of the vehicle's blind spot. Users may also incorporate vibrating seat cushion. This feature works together with the DMS camera. When the camera detected fatigue or distracted driving, the vibrating cushion will vibrate to awaken the driver. This device has 3 SD card slots and optional 1TB mSATA SSD, so users will have plenty of space for recording long journey on the road. Remote monitoring is also convenient because this device has 4G, Wi-Fi, and GPS function. If you're interested in this device, add to cart now by sending us an email inquiry.